crazy. I think it's too tall for her. Oh, mommy, she can't reach him. She's wanting that one. Ooh. Look at her. She's going crazy over a little bubble. Bambi. Oh, okay. She can't get it.
More. Need some more soap. Hold on. Hold on.
She's going crazy with these bubbles. Bambi, get the bubbles. God. Aw, she missed it. Bambi. Woo. She jumps so cute, I swear. She's too short. Get it, baby. Get it.
Okay.
No more. One more. Damn it, you just freaking missed it. She's so crazy over bubbles, I swear.
Okay, that's it.
That was my crazy dog chasing and apparently eating the bubbles. So that's it.
Yay!
Yay! So comment, subscribe, like, and whatever.
Better like. Alright.
Mom, bye.